It is a useful instrument for trading. Today, I will discuss the trading strategies in gold. Gold trading. Trading gold is a much like trading forex. If you use a spread betting platform, a gold trading strategy can include a mix of fundamental, sentimental, or technical analysis. Advanced gold traders recognize that the yellow metal is priced in US dollars and will account for its trend in their gold analysis. Gold has been considered a highly valuable commodity for millennia, and the gold price is widely followed in financial markets around the world. Most commonly quoted in US dollars, gold price tends to increase as stock and bond decline. The metal holds its value well, making it a reliable safe haven. Strategy. A gold trading strategy can include a mix of fundamental, sentimental, or technical analysis. Once upon a time, trading gold was difficult. You had to buy and sell the metal itself. Then came future and options, allowing traders to take positions without actually ending up with a safe full of bars, coins, or jewelry. Gold exchange traded funds made it easier still. Trading gold was much like trading a stock. Today, trading gold is almost no different from trading foreign exchange. If a retail investor uses a spread betting platform, it is simply a matter of buying or selling depending on whether you think that the gold price is likely to rise or fall. For some people, trading gold is attractive simply because the underlying asset is physical rather than a number in a bank account. There are a variety of strategies for trading gold, ranging from studying the fundamental factors affecting supply and demand, studying current positioning of gold traders, to technical analysis and studying the gold price chart. Even for those who rely principally on the fundamentals, many experienced traders would agree that a better gold trading strategy is incorporating some components of fundamental, sentiment, and technical analysis. A gold trading tip we offer is that fundamental and sentiment analysis can help you spot trends, but a study of the gold price chart and patterns can help you enter and exit specific trades. Next, trading gold versus trading forex. Gold prices are not influenced directly by either fiscal policy or monetary policy and will always be worth something. Gold can also be used by traders as a safe haven. Gold is an important hedge against inflation and a valuable asset. Gold has traditionally been seen as a store of value, preciously because it is not subject to the whims of governments and central banks as currencies are. Gold prices are not influenced directly by either fiscal policy or monetary policy and will always be worth something, unlike currency, that can end up being almost worthless because, for example, of rampant inflation. Gold can also be used by traders as a safe haven, along with assets like the Japanese yen, the Swiss francs, and the notes and bonds issued by the US Treasury. That means that when traders are worried about risk trends, they will tend to buy haven assets. On the flip side, traders tend to generally sell haven assets when risk appetite grows, opting instead for stock and other currencies with a higher interest rate. This makes gold an important hedge against inflation and a valuable asset. Note through that while it is possible to trade that Swiss francs or the Japanese yen against a variety of other currencies, gold is almost always traded against the US dollar. Therefore, trading gold means you will need to take into account the movement of the US dollar. For example, if the value of the US dollar is increasing, that could drive the price of gold lower. An additional factor to take into account when learning how to trade gold includes market liquidity. The World Gold Council estimates that average daily trading volumes in the gold are higher than in any currency pairs other than Euro USD. That makes it higher, for example, uh, than the daily trading volume in Euro JPY. So, spread the differences between buying and selling prices are narrow, making gold relatively inexpensive to trade. Lastly, gold trading hours is nearly 24 hours per day. Gold exchanges are open almost all the time, with businesses moving seamlessly from London and Zurich to New York to Sydney, and then to Hong Kong, Shanghai, and Tokyo, before Europe takes up the baton again. This means liquidity is a high around the clock, although, as with foreign exchange, it can be relatively quiet after the New York close with a lower volume and therefore the possibility of volatility price movements. How to trade gold using the technical strategy. First, if the market is trending, use a momentum strategy, or if the gold chart is range bound, then use a low volatility or a range strategy. Let us discuss in detail. Technical traders will notice how the market condition of the gold price chart has changed over the years. Gold prices were in a sizable trend from 2005 to 2015. Since 2015, gold prices have been trading in a defined range, changing hands between 1000 USD and 1400 USD. If the market is trending, use a momentum strategy. If the gold chart is range bound, then use a low volatility or range strategy. This is a key ingredient in a gold trading strategy. For those who prefer to use technical analysis, the simplest way to start it by using previous high and low trend lines and chart patterns. When the gold price is rising, a significant previous high above the current level will be in an obvious target, as will an important previous low when the price is falling. Also, in an uptrend, a line on the chart connecting previous high will act as a resistance when above the current level, while a line connecting previous higher lows will act as a support, with the reverse true in a falling market. As for the chart patterns, those like head and shoulders tops and double bottoms are relevant just as they are when trading currency pairs. For the more sophisticated technical trader using Elliott wave analysis, Fibonacci retracement level, momentum indicators, and other techniques can all help determine likely future moves. How to trade a symmetrical triangle pattern on the gold chart. As on the screen, look at the chart. It is a weekly chart of gold versus USD. I have marked a symmetrical triangle pattern. After breakout, you can enter for long position. Same pattern can be used in a daily and 4-hourly chart. We will discuss some more patterns in coming days. Next, fundamental trading in gold. Is the market sentiment likely to be positive or negative? Returning to fundamental analysis, the beginner needs to consider one point in particular. Is market sentiment likely to be positive or negative? If market sentiment is positive, then the gold price is likely to fall, and if market sentiment is negative, then gold is likely to rise. This is therefore the simplest strategy to use when trading gold. For the more advanced traders, so it is important to consider too what is likely to happen to the dollar. In recent years, the dollar has become increasingly regarded as a safe haven as well, which explain in part why the gold price in dollars has remained relatively stable. Does it, you think, for example, that the geopolitical situation is going to worsen? You might consider buying gold, but at the same time selling, say, the Australian dollar against its US counterpart. An advanced trader will also want to keep an eye on the demand for gold jewelry. In India and China, in a particular, gold jewelry is still seen as an important long term investment. It has its uses in industry too, and central banks buying and selling of gold can also be important, all factors that can move the price. As for supply, advanced traders will want to keep an eye on the output figures from the main producing companies such as Barrick Gold and Newmont Mining. That said, all the rules of a trading forex also apply to trading gold. Retail traders needs to be careful not to over leverage and to think about their risk management, setting targets and stop in case something goes wrong. Next, gold as an investment. Gold as an investment consider following factors. First, supply and demand. Second, government and policies. Third, US dollars. In an ancient history, gold was desired by many for its unique beauty and scarcity, making it a highly desirable commodity as well as a symbol and eventually a store of wealth. However, As time progressed, the gold standard was adopted as a form of global currency, and now, even though the, the fiat system has replaced it in entirety, gold continues to hold intrinsic and economic value, making it a popular investment in financial markets. There are a number of factors that may be influenced in an investment, including supply and demand, government policies, US dollar. Let them discuss in detail supply and demand. Although most commodities are subject to supply and demand, gold is almost always in demand, whether it be for jewelry, industrial uses, or as form of a safe haven. A few unique characteristics that contribute to gold's success include its scarcity, du- ductility, and its ability to withstand corrosion, making it a versatile metal in many uses. However, the demand for gold is also largely attributed to its ability to retain value during periods of financial duress. During economic slumps, the demand for gold as an inflationary hedge after increases. During economic slumps, the demand for gold as an inflationary hedge often increases, confirming its safe haven appeal. As far as supply is concerned, once gold has been mined and has gone through the refinery processes due to its resilience against corrosion, gold remains in supply, being transformed into gold bars, coins, jewelry, etc. Next, government policies. Unlike paper money, gold is a physical commodity which has no defeat risk and is not impacted by the government policies. During periods of economic uncertainty, such as a financial crisis or political instability, central banks may intervene by decreasing interest rates or printing more money, leading to a rise in inflation and a depreciation of currencies. While this may result in a loss in purchasing power of paper money, gold may be used as an inflationary hedge, making it a popular investment during these times. Next, US dollar. Because gold is generally traded against the US dollar, which changes in a currency, this tends to have a direct impact in the gold price. A stronger dollar generally makes gold more expensive for other countries to buy, resulting in a decrease in demand and therefore a drop in the gold price. The opposite is true when the dollar depreciates in value. However, risk settlement also plays a role in the inverse relationship between the gold and the greenback. During economic slumps or periods of increased volatility, the demand for currencies and stocks may decrease as investors increase exposure to gold and other assets holding intrinsic value. So, friends, the trading tips for the gold are: consider whether the market are in risk on or the risk off mode. Look at the likely performance of the US dollar as well as the gold price. Consider a mix of fundamental, sentimental, and technical analysis. Keep eye on central bank buying or selling. Consider the demand for gold jewelry. Look at the industrial demand for the gold. Take account of the supply position. So, friends, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.